Hello, everybody. This is your girl, Brandy, and today we are back with a DIY. I want to give credit to the YouTuber called Cheek on the Cheap because I seen her do this DIY, and I am now doing it for my family. It is a jack-o'-lantern tree topper type ordeal, and what you guys see me doing right now is I am just tracing one of my carvable pumpkins, and you just trace them and draw the faces or the shapes that you want on your pumpkin. I'm being very careful as I do this because I am not the best drawer. That's why I even had me a template out and I was tracing with it. But the eyes and the nose and the mouth, it's pretty much easy because you just draw a triangle. There it is, guys. So that's how that looks. And you want to make sure you go and get you a sharp knife after you draw on all five of them, and you want to cut out what you traced. Make sure you be very careful with this knife. When I was doing the mouth, I made sure to cut very slow and careful. I don't think there's no wrong way to do it. Just like cut your pumpkin and make it very, very creative. And also, one of the things that I forgot to show you guys is make sure you cut a hole in the back of it because you're going to place lights in the back of it. And I'm just showing you guys now. I went over it with the white paint, the acrylic paint. Got my little helper right here helping me paint. Okay, now guys, you're going to take a glue gun and you're going to use that champagne glass. You only need one, but my glue gun is pretty crappy and I refuse to get another one. So I just push my glue sticks in because my handle, the trigger part, doesn't work anymore. And you're going to put glue in the bucket and you're going to put glue on the wine glass. Okay, guys, and then you're going to make sure you glue that empty broom or mop stick down on top of that wine glass. And for your filler, you're going to put in some plastic trash bags. But I had to redo mine because I realized that I needed something more heavy in case the wind blows. So I put mulch inside of mine and then put the filler trash bags in. And now I'm just putting on the pumpkins. I have some orange ones that I decided to put on mine to make mine a little different, and the five carvable pumpkins. But the orange ones are optional. You don't need the orange ones. then I'll have another little helper sticking my lights. I stuck about eight bulbs in one of each, and I go on down. The back is going to look messy, and then you make sure you put some tape over it. The back will look messy, but the back will not show, only the front will show, and you guys will see at the end of the video how well it came together. So don't get discouraged when you see how messy the back looks, because it will eventually all come together. This is me just putting more filler in and making the bottom pop heavy, because the top was more heavy than the bottom. So I weighed, now I put some mulch to weigh down the bottom so that it wouldn't fall over, because it was windy and it was falling over. And these little cheap carvable pumpkins that you get from a Dollar Tree, they're very fragile. You don't want, the more it fall over, it eventually probably will tear your pumpkin. So I tried to prevent that by putting mulch in, and now I'm putting in my natural raffleteria. And guys, I've got all this stuff from Dollar Tree. All of this came from the Dollar Tree. And if you have a mop room at home that's twistable, that can twist off, you don't have to purchase that. You can use that from home. And my bucket, I already had a bucket. I just emptied the old stuff out of it and used it. So that'll save you another $1. And the rest of the stuff was just $1 at the Dollar Tree. And that is it, guys. Now I'm going to be showing you what it looks like at nighttime, all lit up. Look how pretty it looks. So guys, I want to see somebody on YouTube do this easy DIY, because it is very simple, easy, fun to do with your kids. This is the outcome of my whole decoration. And make sure, guys, that you leave a comment below, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye-bye.